I like the way muscle cars looked when they first left the factory. Looking at these original advertisements and brochures, you can just see how they used to look when they were new. Oftentimes they're modified today and don't often see a correctly or authentically restored car, but I found one and we're going to take a look at it today in the garage. I was at the Ironstone concourse in Murphy's, California, and I saw this really nice Granada Gold 67 Chevelle SS 396. Just a nice, correct, authentic looking restoration. Look at this engine compartment. It's a California car. There's the AIR pump for California only. That stuff is really hard to find now. People threw it away early on in the 70s and just got rid of it because they don't want that thing bogging down the engine. I got a question for you Chevelle guys out there. Here's an open element air cleaner, which is correct for the 350 horse car, but is it correct for an air condition? Is it correct for a California car with AIR system? There's a dual cylinder master cylinder, new for 67 for safety, works really well. This is just a very nicely, correctly restored car. I see original hose clamps, and there's the remote filler for the power steering, only on the big block cars. Has a small dog dish hubcaps. Just a nice looking car. It's a bench seat car too. Bucket seats were optional. Not all SS cars had bucket seats and console. The cars were lighter with a bench seat because they didn't have all that heavy metal for the console and buckets. Yeah, there's the correct optional stripe down the side. 67 big blocks have these special hood with these chrome pieces on it. There's the correct T3 headlamps, which is nice to see. A lot of attention to detail in this car. I really like that. Just a good looking car. Super Sport says it all. And there's the call out 396 turbo jet. And it's just impressive. When you look under the hood and you see a big block, it just looks totally cool. The 67s have a blacked out tail panel, which gives them a little more attitude. And I like the dog dish or poverty caps, the correct red line tires, bias ply on this one, really nice. There's another one in the trunk there. Correct trunk decals. Just a nice car. Thanks for checking in with us. Catch you next time in the garage.